Have you been throwing away watermelon rinds? Don't throw them away anymore. With just a little effort, you can turn them into tasty Korean side dishes. Today, I will show you how to make a savory watermelon rind kimchi, sweet and tangy salad, and soy pickle rinds. They are simple to make, even for beginners. Let's make them together. First up is watermelon rind kimchi. It might sound tricky, but this one's really simple. It's a quick kimchi that you can eat right away. Start by removing the green outer skin. The green part is tough and bitter, so gently peel it off with a knife. And any leftover red flesh. We'll only use the white part of the rind. Cut the white part into small square pieces. My mother-in-law used to make this one summer. At first, I was surprised kimchi from watermelon rind, but the flavor really stayed with me. Now add half tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and let it sit for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, drain the liquid. For 500 grams of watermelon rind, add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru and mix well. Then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, a little grated ginger, some chopped green onion, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce. You can add a bit more gochugaru if you like spicy. And if your portion is bigger, just increase the seasoning a little. And 1 teaspoon of honey. Finally, sprinkle some sesame seeds on top. A super easy watermelon kimchi is done. Next is sweet and tangy watermelon rind salad. It's great for bringing back your appetite in summer. Prepare the rind the same way as before, but this time slice it thinly. For 500 grams of rind, add a quarter cup of sugar and mix well. Let it sit for 1 hour. This will draw out moisture and make the texture nice and chewy. Squeeze out the liquid completely. Now for the seasoning, add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru and 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of fish sauce, 1 tablespoon of vinegar. Add a half tablespoon of sesame oil and 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds. Give it a good mix until everything's well coated. You just made a bright flavor Korean salad. It's perfect with rice. Flavor watermelon rind salad is done. Last, we have soy pickle watermelon rinds. These are great to keep in the fridge and eat anytime. Just like before, remove the outer skin and red flesh, then cut the white rind into thick slices. For about 500 grams of rind, add a half cup of sugar, mix well, and let it sit for 2 hours. After that, drain and save the liquid. It's full of flavor. Put the rind into a clean glass jar. To make the pickle brine, combine the drained liquid about 1 cup. If it's not enough, just add a little water to make 1 cup. Add a half cup of soy sauce and half cup of vinegar. If you like it sweeter, add 2 tablespoons more sugar. Bring it to a boil. For a spicy kick, add a sliced red or green chili peppers, or a few dried chilies. If you don't like spicy food, feel free to skip them. While the brine is still hot, pour it directly over the rinds. Let it soak for a day in the fridge. These pickles go really well with rice or a Korean barbecue. You can store them in the fridge for up to 6 months. Next time you eat watermelon, don't throw the rinds away. Try one of these recipes instead. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more Korean home cooking. See you next time!